Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Bismillah walhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een. Welcome students to At-Tariqatu Nuraniyah. We are moving forward, and if you do not know the letters perfectly, do not take this lesson. Go back, study the previous sessions, perfect the letters, and follow the last video where I guided you how to test yourself. Preferably, you're supposed to have a teacher that you can follow up with, someone who knows the tajweed that you can follow up with, right? Now, this is a reference material. This is complementary material. This is not supposed to be your primary source of education. This is supposed to help you, but you definitely need a teacher, someone who is experienced in tajweed that you can follow up with. We are moving forward in your book to page number 8, which is going to be your second lesson. And this one, in this lesson, we have mixed or combined letters. This will help you to recognize letters as they're mixed, right, inside words. So let's study that together. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Alif,
ألف
Lam, Alif.
لام ألف.
As you can see, this is lam, because lam, when it goes forward, it bends, as you can see, right? Lam does that. Alif does not do that. Lam alif,
لام ألف.
lam alif.
لام ألف.
This is the same lam alif. It's just different ways of writing them. And you can see the alif in black, but just the bottom was connected. It's still alif. Okay. Lam alif,
لام ألف.
ba alif.
باء ألف.
Ba took a portion of ba, because in Arabic when you want to connect letters together, you break the letter, the first letter, and you connect it with the second letter. Okay. Ba alif,
باء ألف.
lam alif.
لام ألف.
This is lam. As you can see, it bends moving forward, and this is alif. It's just a different way of writing it. It's calligraphy, Arabic calligraphy. Lam,
لام.
lam alif.
لام ألف.
Same lam alif with a tail on the back in case you want to connect another letter. For example, were you to connect ba with it, you would put a ba here. Ba, lam alif. Lam ha.
لام حاء.
Again, portion of lam, and then ha was connected with it. Lam alif.
لام ألف.
Now, a beautiful pattern that the author of this book, may Allah have mercy upon him, he takes a letter and then shows you how the letter appears. Takes a letter, shows you how the letter appears. Takes a letter, shows you how the letter appears in word. Takes letters, see, ba, ta, tha, nun, ya, and then shows you ba, nun, ta, ya, tha. It shows you how the letters appear. Ba, right? So throughout this lesson, you will see letters appearing in different forms. Ba, lam, ba.
با لم با.
Ba, lam, ba.
با لم با.
See, 3 letters. Kaf.
كاف.
Now this is kaf. This is kaf. And this is a form of this letter. It's this letter. But this is how the kaf appears when it's connected. Right? If you look inside the kaf, there is a symbol inside the kaf. You can compare it with that. That's not what it is, but that's how kaf looks when it's connected. Okay, they're both same letters. Kaf,
كاف.
kaf, ba,
كاف با.
kaf, ba,
كاف با.
kaf, alif,
كاف ألف.
kaf, alif,
كاف ألف.
ba, kaf, ta,
با كاف تا.
ba, kaf, ta,
با كاف تا.
ta, kaf, tha,
تا كاف ثا.
ba,
با.
ta,
تا.
fa,
ثا.
noon,
نون.
Ya.
Ya.
Ba alif.
Ba alif.
Noon alif.
Noon alif.
Ta alif.
Ta alif.
Ya alif.
Ya alif.
Tha alif.
Tha alif.
You see the beauty here. Dot on the bottom, dot on the top. 2 dots on the top, 2 dots on the bottom, 3 dots on the top. You need to be able to recognize that. You don't want to confuse ba with the noon. You don't want to confuse ta with the ya. You understand? Basin,
Basin.
yasin.
Yasin.
1 dot on the bottom, 2 dots on the bottom. Ta noon sin,
Noon sin.
ta sin,
Tasin.
fa sin.
Thasin.
1 dot on the top, 2 dots on the top, 3 dots on the top. Fajim.
Thajim.
Now he's going to show you how jim, ha, and kha look like. Fajim.
Thajim.
Taha.
Taha.
Noon kha.
Noon kha.
At the same time, he switched the order. 3 dots on the top, 2 dots on the top, 1 dot on the top. Right? Ya ha.
Yaha.
Bajim.
Bajim.
Here he switched the ha and jim. Here was jim ha. Here he switched it ha jim. And then he has 2 dots on the bottom, 1 dot on the bottom. Ya mim.
Yamim.
Ba mim.
Bamim.
Noon mim.
Noon mim.
Ta mim.
Tamim.
Tha mim.
Thamim.
2 dots on the bottom, 1 dot on the bottom, 1 dot on the top, 2 dots on the top, 3 dots on the top. He's constantly switching to get you to be an expert in recognizing letters when they're mixed, right? Because when you will open up the Quran, you need to be able to recognize these letters. And that's what you are being trained to do right here. Ba ya.
Baya.
As you can see, by the way, this is meme. This is meme. This is meme. This is meme. It's just different ways of writing them. Okay? This is ba. Even though it looks funny because the ba here, right? But this is different way of writing it. But the dot on the bottom, there's only ba. Here, took the ba, right? Took the ba and placed the edge or the second part of the ya here. Ba ya.
Baya.
Ya.
Ya. Ya.
Yeah, 2 dots on the bottom, and this is also yeah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Ya.
Ya. Ya.
Noon ya.
Noon ya.
Ta ya.
Ta ya.
Sa ya.
Tha ya.
Still, again, 1 dot at the bottom, 2 dots on the bottom, 1 dot on the top, 2 dots on the top, 3 dots on the top. Noon ba lam.
Noon ba lam.
Ta noon lam.
Ta noon lam.
Ba ya lam.
Ba ya lam.
Ya ta lam.
Ya ta lam.
Sa lam.
Tha lam.
Noon ba noon.
Noon ba noon.
Again, switching the letters, dots all over for you to be able to recognize which is ba, which is noon, which is that, which is ya, which is tha, which is all of that, right? For you to be able to recognize them. Now, we're going to do this for this session. Next session, we're going to complete this lesson because we don't want it to be very heavy upon you. So just practice this, inshallah. We'll see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.